Deep within the heart of the dense, thriving jungle, a tiny marvel moves along the forest floor. An ancient creature, unchanged by time, the millipede, with its countless legs, moves in a mesmerizing ripple, navigating the tangled undergrowth with precision and purpose. These remarkable arthropods are nature's recyclers, breaking down decaying plant matter, returning nutrients to the soil, and sustaining the delicate balance of this vibrant ecosystem. Beneath the fallen leaves and amidst the shadows, the millipede works tirelessly, an unsung hero of the forest. Yet, despite its armored exterior, it remains vulnerable to jungle predators, relying on its ability to coil and emit chemical defenses for survival. In this intricate web of life, each creature, no matter how small, plays a vital role. This is the millipede story.